You might have heard people saying that generating passive income is essential if you want to achieve financial freedom. So, why is that? Well, most successful people focus on generating passive income since it's not only going to give them extra money, but it also allows them to focus on other things. I would say that the best thing about passive income is that you earn while you sleep. It is an ideal way to bring in some extra cash flow while you're focusing on other important things in your life. Passive income streams require an upfront investment and a lot of nurturing, especially when you're starting. But once you've started it, then eventually you will see your money working for you. If you are really worried due to not having enough money to meet your retirement goals, now is the time for you to build your wealth through passive income. Some people think that your passive income only comes through simple, common, and typical sources, but there are many creative ways to make some additional money that you may not think of. Hey guys, welcome back to Money Invest, where we discuss everything about money, investment, and personal finance. I'm going to tell you how you can earn passive income to become financially free. Watch this video until the end to fully understand how to build multiple streams of passive income. And if you want multiple streams of videos to help you become financially independent, smash that like button because that would keep me motivated to keep making more videos for you. Number 1, rent out the extra room in your house. The easiest way to earn passive money is by renting out an extra room in your house. There's always a spare room in every house that no one uses. If you think smartly, all you have to do is just put some money into renovating that room. Don't consider it your expense. Instead, this is your investment. A few bucks can give you a good amount of money every single month. Now you might be thinking that finding a renter is a difficult task. You can simply rent out the spare bedroom to your friend or a family member. It'll also give you some extra benefits or extra security. As the cost of housing is increasing day by day, so many people cannot afford a private home due to the hefty amount of rent. So instead of wasting money on an expensive house when they can live with a roommate. So the demand for a room is increasing greatly. Since housing is the single largest expense of the average household, this is also a great way to lower that expense. Renting out a spare bedroom could bring in $500 to $700 per month. Number 2, investing in shares and stocks. Investing in stocks is another easy way to make any kind of passive income. If you have any sort of savings in your savings account and that is giving you an interest of only 0.01%, that is not doing any great for you. Whereas if you put those savings into stocks, you could potentially be earning passive income from the money that's otherwise just giving you pennies. Once set up, it will continue to reward you with almost no management for a very long time. If you don't have any knowledge of investing, you can invest in index funds. The index funds are something like an S&P 500. So if you invest, for instance, $1,000 in the S&P 500, it means that your $1,000 is distributed among the leading 500 companies in the US, including Apple, Microsoft, and Google. The S&P 500 averages about a 10% return each year. Moreover, unlike other passive income ideas, this provides you the ability to earn compound interest. And you might have heard that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Every year, your stock investments will give you an exponentially higher return. If you want to start, all you have to do is sign up as a stockbroker. And if you're living in the US, you can use Webull. In short, whatever country you're in, just Google the phrase, the best stockbroker platform with your country's name, and you'll find something that works for you. Now, it is time to ask yourself this important question. Did I subscribe to the channel? If not, hit that subscribe button right now. Number 3, become a product affiliate. An affiliate is someone who assists in selling a product for a company. So if you have a blog or some sort of fan following on YouTube or other social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook, you can recommend a product. And if someone chooses to purchase that product because of you, you actually get a commission. Now, if there's a question about how it works, actually you share specific unique URLs. Usually all these companies, at least most of them, have a link at the bottom of their page which says affiliate or partner with us. For instance, you are an affiliate of the website, hostinger.com. So whenever anybody clicks on the Hostinger link from your blog or website or one of your videos and purchases a hosting package, you make an income. Now the important point here is that you just have to promote a product that you actually think is good and that you have used and trust. Don't post a bunch of links that look like spam. Your followers trust you, so don't prove to them that they were blind by promoting inferior quality goods. Number 4. Advertise on your vehicle. If you frequently drive for work or even leisure, you might be able to monetize your daily travel by advertising on your car, van, or truck. You might have also seen people driving in the city with cars that are covered in the company's ads. Their entire vehicle is covered with colorful logos. However, many people think that they are the employees of the company. Actually, those people might be driving their personal cars. It's also the simplest way to earn passive income by driving your car around the town. It might not always be super stylish to drive a vehicle having stickers on it, but who cares when you're earning an extra chunk of money every single month? Contact a specialized advertising agency that will evaluate your driving habits, including the location where you mostly drive and how many miles each day. If you are a match with one of their advertisers, the agency will wrap your car with the ads at zero cost to you. Agencies are always looking for new cars and drivers who have clean driving records. Now, if you have a question in your mind about how much you can earn, it totally depends on how much you drive and where you're located. But it is a solid source of earning passive income. This idea is really interesting, but you need to be careful in finding a legitimate operation to partner with. There are also some fake agencies that set up scams in markets too. There are 3 major websites that you can use to connect you with brands looking for ad space, including Carvertise, Rapify, and Vugo. Number 5. Make YouTube videos. You might have noticed that whenever you're watching a YouTube video, an ad suddenly comes on your screen. It might bother you, so you just skip the ad. Actually, the creator is getting a share from those ads. Now, the important question is, how hard is it to start a YouTube channel? Actually, it's very easy to start a YouTube channel. You just need to go to the YouTube platform and click on Create a Channel. Making videos on YouTube is quite easy, but making good content is what really matters. And that's how you grow on YouTube. Do you know that people are uploading almost 720,000 hours of videos every day on YouTube? The competition is so strong, no doubt. In order to monetize your channel, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Only 0.25% of creators earn money by doing this, but it really does not mean that you cannot find your place in that percentage. Now, these tips will help you in growing your channel. You need to select a niche, do SEO, and carefully use tags. This will bring more audience to your channel. Before I go to the important point, here is a pop quiz. Who said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die? Share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. And with that being said, let's keep going. It's important to remember that passive income does not mean no effort is required to start your earnings. Everything takes some amount of upfront work or money in order to begin, and usually requires some extra time on occasion. The good thing is that once you've started, you'll begin to see your money increase day by day, and you'll be able to save enough money so that you can retire earlier than an average person. And remember, sharing is caring, so do me a favor and share this video on your social media.